Yn y rhan yma, rydym yn rhoi siawns I chi rhieni I gael dweud eich barn a dweud wrthym pan mae Dash yn llinell bywyd go iawn I chi.
It's been brilliant. It's been a break for the kids, it's been a break for us, and they love it. Yes.
And I like about stuff, and I like a ball pool, everything.
Yes, everything. Yeah. Especially the horse riding. Yeah. Can't wait to go there.
Yeah, it's brilliant. They do everything.
Yes. And they go up loads, don't they? Yep. They're not stuck in one place all the time.
Stuck at home?
No, getting under athlete.
Yeah. Driving you mad.
Yeah.
I don't know how I cope without it, to be honest. It's absolutely amazing. Both the children have amazing fun and they love it. They're always asking every holidays, when's Dash? It does help and just a lot. And we're eternally grateful to everyone.
I had information through from the disabled children's team about where the Griff would like to go, and it's good for me because I can't manage to take two of them to do swimming and things like that. I can't manage on my own. He loves to go, he asks to go in the morning. He's got a planner with Dash on it and he gets his Dash sign and he puts it up and he loves going and he gets very excited when the bus comes to pick him up.
It gives me a small break, it gives me a chance to unwind, which is very nice. But I think it's helped the young people because they've gained in confidence as well as having a lovely break during the school holidays, doing something different with a big gang of friends going out on a bus. And it's great, you can't beat that.
Well, he's never come back miserable, put it that way. And he's come back worn out a few times, so that tells you that he's obviously had a good time. And he's never come back in any way distressed to indicate that the people that looked after him have not done their job properly. So it's been a lifeline because you know that when you get near the Easter holidays or you get near the summer holidays, you know that the letters are going to turn up on your doorstep, offering you the dates and so on and so forth, telling you what they're doing and where they're going. Also, I have to say that as a parent with a disability, I'm visually impaired and epileptic, and I've found that they've been very, very helpful to me, very cooperative with me. There's a lady that always comes around and picks up the money from me and so on because I can't do checks and so on and so forth. They're incredibly cooperative. And they pick up from me and bring back to me and so on and so forth. They provide transport service, which means that he can go on activities that he wouldn't be able to go on otherwise, and so on and so forth. And I wouldn't be without you. Brilliant.
It's been it's one of the few things that's been a really positive experience for Tom. It's improved his self-esteem because he's actually more able than some people that go on the Dash days, and so he's been able to help them. He's had good ideas to contribute and they've been quite respected. Tom's gone off to school and I think Dash is one of the hardest things he's found to leave behind. Right. He doesn't mind about leaving us behind, but he does miss Dash.
They just have such a fantastic time, but it also gives them an opportunity to mix with their own peers. And it's in a very, very safe environment. Well, I'm a parent of a child that accesses Dash, but I'm also a trustee of Dash. And it would be really good if we could see more parents coming on, getting involved, because the parents at the moment who are running it have done an absolutely fantastic job, but there's always room for more parents to come on the committee. So it would be really good if some of the parents could get more involved.
Dash has helped me and the family, especially where that I'm a working mum. I work full time, and during school holidays both my children attended Dash schemes, as William does now as well, and I have found it invaluable. William and Jack have thoroughly enjoyed attending Dash. The activities they've offered have always been very, very good, and I hope it'll continue for a long time.
It was a place that I could go as well, as William, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. As a young kid, it was great going to Dash. And
you went there to look after them.
And William, what do you think of Dash?
Well, I enjoy Dash because I could see my friends each time I go, and I go there for a laugh and have some fun.